really excited because we're going to Africa. That's not bad though. $6. This is the Dollar Tree. They need to change the name. Welcome back to the vlog. If you are new here, my name is Kara. I am a solo traveler, expat of the Dominican Republic, and I am now back in the US. I've been here a few months, but we are leaving again. So today I'm getting ready to go to the Dollar Tree because I have a few last minute essentials and I know that they have what I'm looking for in there. The other day, me and my daughter went to the Greenwood Mall here in the Indianapolis area. I was able to get a few things. I was going through laundry. I had a few things that I really wanted to take in my laundry, and I'm just feeling really excited. Being back here and taking the time to just do everything I needed to do with my business, square away some things with my family. I feel good being back, but I'm ready to go. So yeah, we're going to Africa and I'm excited. So we're gonna go to the Dollar Tree, grab a few last minute essentials that I need and whatever else I find, and we're gonna start packing because we're going to Africa. Goody goody gumdrops. You gonna hold the door for me? Let me get over the basket. Oh, look at this one. The Dollar Tree is notorious for long ass lines.
Much more, but I just can't find the words down. I don't wanna keep it to myself, but every time I open my mouth and stop by my pride, yeah. I'll be typing, then deleting. You must think I'm so confused. Baby, if you only knew the truth. Need the moment, need the minute, just as bad as I need you, even though I'm way long overdue. So if you don't have the will to wait, then I don't wanna keep you. I've got so many things to say.
The store used to be $1 socks and leggings. Look at this. That's not bad though. $6. This is the Dollar Tree. They need to change the name. They have Docker socks. How much? $4. This is the Dollar Tree. When I moved to the DR, everything was $1. Now it's $1.50, $6, $4. This ain't no damn Five Below. They have wipes. Oh, those are face and body. Never mind, you may not want those. I actually need pads. Okay, I think this is all I need. I thought that was that stuff that Marcus be getting. What's that? That's not that. I feel like I should bring a bar soap just in case. Do we have a bar soap at home? No, maybe. I like Dial, but I don't see that. For $7. The Dollar Tree has lost their mind. This shit used to be $1. Oh, that's cute. A swimsuit bag. A swimsuit sack. Okay, I think I was able to find all the items that I needed. All right, it's raining, so we're gonna hurry up and get out of here. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good night.
You too. We just got back from the Dollar Tree, so I'm going to show you really quickly the items that I got. Just a few of the last minute items that I was able to pick up really quickly. And then we're gonna start packing. So let me show you what I got. Panty liners, some ultra thin pads. I got a few of these little hand sanitizer sprays, a couple of these face and body wet wipes. Again, you just never know. A little travel size of Listerine until I can get another one when I arrive in Africa. Some cough drops, some leave-in one conditioner, and then this little, I already have some of these, but I wanted to get a few more of the bottles because you can never not have enough. Everything came out to $13.11. Everything was pretty much $1 or $1.25. So that's what I got out of there. Still has the old tickets on there.